am Kaedi Knepshield with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 5563 Berlin Way in Lawrenceville. I am so excited to show you this 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,400 square foot end unit located in the Mews. As one of the largest units in the plan, I love this spacious living room with 9-foot ceilings, tons of natural light, and this amazing electric fireplace that can change colors to suit your mood. Practically brand new, this kitchen has been thoughtfully designed with marble counters, stainless steel appliances, pendant lighting, dark blue cabinets, and a hands-free faucet. This is sure to impress. Choose from 2 outdoor entertainment spaces, both equipped with gas lines for your choice of grilling or a fire pit. This coveted rooftop deck is the perfect place to unwind. Just imagine ending your day watching one of Pittsburgh's amazing sunsets. With some of Lawrenceville's best restaurants, bars, and shops just steps away, this is why the Mews on Butler was one of the fastest selling developments in the area. Thank you for touring 5563 Berlin Way in Lawrenceville with me today. If you'd like to schedule a tour, please reach out to me, Kaedi Knepshield at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.